The status of the BLT as the king of all sandwiches is based on its perfect balance of salty, savory bacon, creamy mayo, sweet and acidic tomatoes, and crunchy lettuce, of course with toasted bread. But this PLT gives a BLT an upgrade. In place of regular bacon, I'm going to use pork belly breaded in potato chips and Kikkoman panko for an added level of umami and crunch. Here I have some pork belly or slab bacon. These are 6 to 8 inch long pieces, sliced about 1/4 inch thick. Let's start by prepping the panko breading. Into a food processor, place 2 cups of Kikkoman panko breadcrumbs and 1 cup of crushed potato chips. Blend until both are semi-fine and well combined. Transfer the potato chip panko mixture into a 2-inch half hotel pan. Here we have our breading station ready. Dip the pork belly in the prepared Kikkoman tempura mix, then dredge in the potato chip panko mixture. Press slices gently to ensure the panko sticks to the tempura batter. Arrange the slices in a single layer on parchment-lined sheet pans and refrigerate if frying immediately. You can also freeze if producing large batch size for later. Fry the pork belly slices in vegetable oil until crispy and a deep golden brown. Here I have buttered brioche slices that I've griddled. Drizzle a generous amount of Kikkoman wasabi sauce on each slice and arrange pork belly on top in a slight bias, leaving a gap between the slices. Arrange a tomato on top and a generous amount of shredded iceberg lettuce. Drizzle more Kikkoman wasabi sauce over the lettuce. The wasabi sauce provides a nice zing of contrast to the richness of the pork belly. Place a second slice of brioche on top and cut the sandwich in half on a bias between the pork belly slices. And there you have it. This decadent pork belly lettuce and tomato sandwich is sure to become a signature menu item.